Papua is a province in Indonesia, which is located on the western island of New Guinea. Papua is also often referred to as West Papua because Papua can refer to the entire island of New Guinea, including the eastern part of the neighboring country, East New Guinea or Papua New Guinea. The first largest forest-producing area in Indonesia is Papua. The Papua region has a composition of 84% forest and 16% non-forest. Papua forests have an area of approximately 40,546. 360.0 hectares consisting of a combination of Papua forests and West Papua forests. The forests on the island of Papua are a natural reserve area because their natural conditions have unique plants, animals, and ecosystems. Namely certain ecosystems that need to be protected and whose development occurs naturally. In the context of its ecosystem, Papua's natural forest landscape not only provides direct benefits such as wood, bark, leaves, roots, fruit, flowers, and so on, but also supplies various indirect benefits such as being a genetic bank and repository for the diversity of flora and fauna. Located in the easternmost region of Indonesia, Papua has unparalleled natural beauty wrapped in unique cultural values. Being the largest island in Indonesia, it is not surprising that Papua has so many natural attractions to offer. It's not just about the beauty of the islands and beaches. In Papua there are also other natural attractions in the form of lakes, hills and waterfalls that are ready to welcome us while on holiday in Papua. Papuan indigenous people have lived for thousands of years in the Papuan forests, and their lives depend on the natural surroundings. The Papuan traditional community consists of several tribes, and the social conditions of Papuan tribal communities in the interior can be said to be unique because they have different customs and cultural traditions for each tribe, even though the territory between tribe A and tribe B is not too far away. The Korowai tribe is a tribe that only interacted with the outside world about 30 years ago, which is why this tribe was previously called a cannibal tribe. This tribe lives in houses built on trees called rumatingi. Another name for the house owned by the Korowai tribe is the shame house, which was built with a height of 9 meters or around 15 feet or 4.5 meters. The Korowai tribe still lives in a traditional way, by hunting and farming and harvesting sago for their daily needs. Sago trees are their main food, and they can use everything in the forest for their living. One of the main uniqueness of the Korowai tribe is their nomadic lifestyle. They are a nomadic tribe who live in tall trees as a form of protection from floods and the threat of wild animals. The Dani or Habula tribe is a group of Papuan tribes who inhabit the Balium Valley region in the central mountains of Indonesia. Their settlement is between Ersberg and Grasberg Hills in Jayawijaya Regency and parts of Puncak Jaya Regency. The Hane house is a typical Papuan house, but it cannot be found throughout Papua. It can only be found in the Dani tribe, precisely in the Balium Valley, Jayawijaya Regency, Papua. The traditional Dani house is relatively small in size, round in shape, has wooden walls and a thatch roof. However, there are also houses that are rectangular in shape. This type of house is called ediai. The tradition of burning stones is one of the important traditions in Papua's mountains, especially the Dani tribe, in the form of a cooking ritual with residents aimed at giving thanks and staying in touch as well as to welcome other important ceremonies. Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Eastern Australia, and the Torres Strait Islands. Behind its beauty, the bird of paradise is a symbol of Papua Irigai. Birds of paradise are an important part of the forest ecosystem in Tanah Papua because most of the birds of paradise are fruit eaters, so they have a very important role in seed dispersal. Apart from that, birds of paradise also play a role in controlling insect populations in the forest.